Hello class, welcome to Tal Tutorials. This is the second part of the refraction through a lens, which is chapter 5 for ICSE class 10. So here in this chapter we will be discussing how the image are formed by the lens. So first we need to know what are the principles for constructing a ray diagram. See, the position, size and nature of the image of an object formed by a lens can be determined by drawing a ray diagram. For this, we need to consider at least two rays starting from a point of an object. The rays chosen are those for which the path after refraction from the lens is known to us. Generally, we use three principal rays for construction of the ray diagram. First, as you see in the PPT, a ray of light incident at the optical center O of the lens passes undeviated through the lens. So, you see in the diagram, there are two diagrams shown A and B. So, in that, if a ray of light is incident at the optical center, that is O of the lens, it is passing without any deviation through the lens, as shown in the figure A and B respectively for the convex and concave lens. Now, second way how to draw a diagram: a ray of light incident parallel to the principal axis of the lens after refraction passes through the second focus in a convex lens or appear to come from the second focus in a concave lens. So, here you see a ray of light is incident parallel to both the principal axis of the lens after refraction, as is shown in the diagram A and B respectively for convex lens and concave lens. Now, this is the third way to draw a diagram. A ray of light passing through the first focus f1 in a convex lens or directed toward the first focus f1 in the concave lens emerges parallel to principal axis after refraction, as shown in the figure A and B, that is convex and concave lens. So here, from the point of an object, although an infinite number of rays travels in all possible directions, but we are choosing only two convenient rays out of the above mentioned three rays from that point of an object. The point where the rays meet after refraction from the lens is the image of the point of the object. The image is obtained in similar manner for each point on object, and all these images together find a form that is known as full image of that object. And two images that can be obtained here are real image and virtual image. Before differentiating, if I want to define what is real image, if the rays from a point of an object after refraction through the lens actually meet at a point, the image is real. If the screen is placed at this point, the image is obtained on the screen. Real image can be obtained on the screen, it is inverted with respect to the object. However, virtual image, if the rays from a point of object after refraction through the lens do not actually meet at a point, but they appear to diverge from a point, but the image is virtual, that is imaginary. The virtual image is erect with respect to the object. If someone is able to differentiate between real image and virtual image, a real image is formed due to actual intersection of the ray refracted by the lens. However, virtual image is formed when the rays refracted by the lens appear to meet if they produce backward. A real image can be obtained on a screen, however, a virtual image cannot be obtained on a screen. A real image is inverted with respect to the object, however, a virtual image is erect with respect to the object. These are the things which are differentiating between real and virtual image. Now I am showing you, actually there are 6, but I think I am showing you 4 characteristics and location of the image for a convex lens. First, when the object is at between f1 and 2f1, Again, please look at this. When the object is at f1 and 2f1, so how the diagrams are made. See, in the figure given below, you see AB is an object placed on the principal axis of a convex lens at a point between f1 and 2f2. From the point A of the object, a ray AD, that is ray AD, is incident parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens passes through the second focus f2. The other ray incident toward the optical center passes undeviated through the lens. Hence, a real image is formed, and you see the image as AB dash, and the image are found beyond 2f2. If you say what are the characteristics of these images, you can say the three characteristics of this image are: it is magnified, it is real, and it is inverted. So these are very important. Actually, there are 8 diagrams. I am discussing about 5. So these are very common in coming examination. So please class, make sure that you know how to draw it. Second, the object is placed beyond 2f1 for a convex lens. So here AB is an object placed on the principal axis of a convex lens at a point beyond 2f1. From the point A of the object, the ray AD incident parallel to the principal axis after the refraction through the lens passes through the second focus f2. The other ray, that is AO, is incident at the optical center O of the lens, and it travels undeviated at the OA dash. The two refracted rays, that is DA dash and OA dash, meet at a point A dash. Thus A dash is the real image of the point A of the object. Similarly, B dash is the image of the point B of the object. Thus A dash B dash is the real images formed, and the image is formed between 2f2 and f2. If someone is telling what are the characteristics of this image, so we can say the characteristics of this image are real, inverted, and diminished. Now, let us come to the third diagram. When the object is at 2f1 for a convex lens. See, in this diagram we find AB is an object placed on the principal axis of a convex lens at a distance equal to twice of the focal length. That is at 2f1. From the point A of the object, the ray AD incident parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens passes through its second focus, that is f2, at DA dash. The other ray OA incident through the optical center of the O lens travel undeviated as OA dash. Thus the two diffracted ray DA dash and OA dash meet at a point A dash, which is the real image of the point, and similarly the point B of the object is found as the image as B dash. Thus an image is formed, and that is formed, the object is placed at a distance equal to the twice of the focal length of the lens. So here the image is of the same size of the object, and characteristics are: it is real, it is inverted, and the same size. Class, please note down, this is very important topic. Now, this is last diagram for the convex lens which I am showing. The object is placed between the lens and focus f1 for convex lens. You see a diagram. AB is an object placed on the principal axis of a convex lens between its optical center O and the first focus f1. From the point A of the object, a ray AD incident parallel to the principal axis after refraction through the lens passes through the second focus f2. Thus, the other ray AO incident at the optical center of the lens passes undeviated as OO dash. These two refracted ray DF2 and OO2 dash, DF2 correct, OO2 dash does not meet each other, but they appear to diverge from the point A dash. When they are produced backward, they meet at the point A dash, Thus A dash is a virtual image, that is not real. That is, we are thinking that there is an image like that. Thus A dash is a virtual image of the point A on the object. Similarly, for the point B on the object, B dash is the virtual image. Thus A dash, B dash is virtual, erect and magnified, and the image is on the same side and behind the object. Now I'll share one for a concave length, that is when object is at any infinite distance from a concave lens. You see this, let AB be an object placed at a point on the principal axis of any finite distance in front of a concave lens as shown in the diagram. Two rays AD and AO from the point A of the object after refraction through the lens diverges from each other. The ray AD incident to appear to come from the second focus F2. The ray AO incident toward the optical center O passes undeviated after refraction as OO dash. The two refracted rays DD dash and OO dash do not meet at any point, but the refracted ray DD dash on being produced backward meet at ray AO at a point A dash. Hence, this is a virtual image, and if someone is telling the lens form the image between the object and itself is a concave lens. And the three characteristics of this kind of images are virtual, erect and diminished. If someone is telling you to differentiate between image formed between convex and concave lens, how you will define? The image formed by a concave lens is virtual and diminished. It can be inverted, and for convex lens, the virtual image formed by the convex lens will be erect and magnified. So class, for this PPT we are ending here only. In the next PPT I will be discussing about how to solve numericals regarding the refraction of lens. Till then class, bye bye, meet you next time.